Hello world in GUI Python. To write Hello World program, first open Python IDE. Now browse a blank file with py extension. In this file, write this Python code. From Tkinter, import all. Top equal to tk function. Widget equal to label. Top comma text equal to hello Utkarsh Techno World. Widget.pack function. Widget.main loop function. Now save and run this program. You can see a window is open with text Hello Utkarsh Techno World. You can move this window in any direction. Thanks for watching video. Hit bell icon to get new video.